Welcome to Ria's kitchen. I don't know what. Confidente. A lot of you have been asking how I make my iced chai at home, so I thought I would show you. First step, most importantly, is your tea powder. Here I have some generic red label black tea powder. We also have some sugar for sweetness and cardamom. Is it even homemade if you don't have your cardamom stored in some jaggery powder box? And then lastly, I also have my ginger and my turmeric pieces, and that I will just grate into the water. So first, I'm just gonna take a couple of pieces of cardamom, just take 3 or 4, drop it into my grinder, and start smashing that away. Once you smell that cardamom smell everywhere in the kitchen, you know that it's pretty ground up, and you can continue. Okay, I'm just gonna put the water and have it turned on, get it boiling. While that's going on, adding my ground up cardamom. Going to take my ginger and grate that into here as well. After that, I'm gonna take my turmeric, also gonna take this root and also grate it as it splashes everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna add some sugar, 2 spoons just to let that dissolve. Most importantly, the tea powder, which I'm gonna add 2 spoons up. Then you just wanna turn your stove off and cover your tea. Aesthetic cup. Okay, so here I've got my aesthetic cup, and usually whatever leftover chai I have, I just pour it into these ice cubes I have here, into this ice tray, and try to make some ice cubes. That way it doesn't water down the iced chai as much. So we got our chai cubes. Got some of my ice cubes in here. Once you've let the tea sit for a while, you can strain it into your aesthetic cup. So here I'm just pouring everything out. And then top with milk. You can use any milk, we just happen to have almond milk, so I'm just going to fill the rest of my glass with almond milk. It seems like a lot of milk, but with the ice cubes being made of chai and that much concentrate, and especially if you've left it for quite a while, it tends to be pretty strong. So at this point, we can go ahead and try it. Get your reusable straw. Give it a little spin. I actually think it's really good. If you do want it to be sweeter, you can always add honey or more sugar, depending on how you like it, but this is how I like it. So bon appetit, bon appetit.